I'm going to show you how to display vendor balances with the Fiori app and the transaction code in SAP S/4HANA system. My name is Nuno Dias and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just now reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, please subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. Back in the version ECC, we were using the transaction code FK10N to display vendor balances. And this is still the same in SAP S/4HANA. However, using the Fiori app, there is a new Fiori app called Display Supplier Balances, which is a UI5 technology, which means exclusive of Fiori LAUNCHPAD. So without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP GUI menu. So we have our transaction codes. We have accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable. And then we have account and we have this FK10N and we double click. So here it's the same screen, everything as in the version ECC6. We need to insert the vendor and company code here and run the transaction. So the same thing. We have the cumulative balance. From here, we have the balance. If I double click, I have the balance, all documents of this period. I'm going back. And then also from there, we still can go and send correspondence to this vendor. Now we are going to the Fiori app. So this is the Fiori app that I was talking about. This is a display supplier balances. In the Fiori library, this says that we can run this Fiori app in the desktop and the tablet, which means that you can access via tablet to this Fiori app. And then this is the SAP UI5 technology, so exclusive of the Fiori LAUNCHPAD, which means there is not an emulation of this the transaction code FK10N like we have this one here. This one here is SAP BUC. This is an emulation of the transaction codes FK10N. So we are going to see how this works, this Fiori app. So I'm going to click. By default, I don't need to put any supplier. It will bring me all the suppliers in the first screen. So now I'm going to type the same supplier. So this is already an improvement in regards to the transaction code FK10N. Now I'm going to add the supplier or 10, and then I'm going to run. Now I have the same information as we have in the transaction code FK10N. If you see the same values. Okay, what we have now as improvements. So improvements, we have something here called compare, which means that I can compare the purchases that I did in the 2024, which is the year that we are doing this, and the previous year. I also can compare with 2 years back what I did. So basically, I don't have any information because this is a testing system. But if you are in a client, you have information from the past. So this is already an improvement of the transaction code FK10N that is showing to us. In here, we can go and create the correspondence. So we are jumping to another Fiori app that is called creating correspondence. And then we would be choosing what type of correspondence we wanted to create. If you are really enjoying this video, make a like to us. Go back. What I can show you more, the same thing. We click there. And then we go into the another Fiori app, manage supplier line items, where it's going to show me what is clearing in green and what is open for this supplier or vendor. In my opinion, and I like to give this opinion, I'd rather prefer to use this Fiori app because it's more user-friendly than the other one, transaction code FK10N. So please put some comments if you prefer the Fiori app or the transaction code in this video. Now you know how to display vendor balances with the Fiori app and the transaction code in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.